Al, thank you. Tax day has arrived, which means today is the deadline to file them. Joining me now with some last-minute advice is Charlie Bowers from Insight Folios. Charlie, we're literally in the 11th hour here.
We are pushing the button right here. This is tough.
For those out there who still may not have filed yet, what would you tell them to do here before the deadline? They have what, until midnight, right?
Until midnight, and I would recommend if you haven't filed that you file for an extension.
At this point, yeah.
At this point, you've got to file. Whatever taxes you owe right now, you're going to owe, even though you have a 6-month extension. There's going to be a penalty and interest owed on what you really owe. But filing that way is better than not filing at all. The penalty for not filing is much worse.
And I'm sure you've gotten a lot of questions, Charlie, about the new tax law in effect. So what are a few things people may not know or may not realize with the new law?
We've lived through it a year now, so you think maybe most people are aware, but standard deductions have doubled, but personal exemptions have gone away. So that's going to impact different families different ways.
Sure.
And you're just not going to know maybe until you finished filing for taxes.
Okay.
To know exactly how it hits you.
Do you have any insights on who may owe money under the new tax bills, or any way of really knowing that? Again,
you might have to wait till taxes are completed, but think about it. In early 2018, you were hearing about companies giving their employees $1,000, $2,000 bonuses, or increase their income. Wages are going up, so that's going to be a real income increase, and you may end up paying more, even though the tax law
because you have to declare that on your that bonus on your taxes. Well, if you are getting a refund or hoping for one, what are some tips as far as spending that money?
Well, having a plan is key. At Insight Folios, we talk about having a plan, but also we don't look at money the same way. The money that comes out of your paycheck that you're living on month after month is going to be different than, say, a $20,000 inheritance.
Sure.
Inheritance is like found money. Well, IRS refunds could be like found money too. And if you don't have a plan on how to spend it, then you just might blow through it. So one way to think about it is thirds. All right, I'm going to put a third toward credit card debt. Hopefully it's not Christmas presents you're still paying off, and then a third toward your retirement, and a third toward maybe an emergency account, because emergencies hit all of us regardless of our situation.
Sure.
And you don't want to have to sell something, a house, a car, a boat, at a distressed price because you need money really badly.
Yeah. Charlie Bowers, Insight Folios. Thank you, Charlie.
Thank you.
Get those taxes filed now.
Let's knock it out.